Hello friends, today I will show you the easiest way to plant, root and grow aloe vera pups without roots successfully. Let me start. Step 1. Separating aloe vera pups. This aloe vera has many small plants known as pups. Pups that are 3 to 5 inches tall are good for rooting. To separate these pups, you need to dig around the pup and take them out with roots. But as I am going to root them without roots, I just pull them out. I don't care if roots break. These pups have some roots. I cut them using a clean and sharp cutter. To see if they propagate without roots, try to keep as much of the base as possible. The roots will emerge at the nodes on the stem. Step 2. Dry the pups. Very important. Place the pup in shade and let the cut end dry for 2 to 4 days. This allows the cut end to form a callus, which prevents rot when planted. Step 3. How to plant pups. Take a small pot with drainage holes at the bottom of the pot. Fill the pot with a well-drained potting mix. A succulent and cactus mix is the best, because it is loose and provides good drainage, so the roots can easily grow. I will just use a mixture of soil and river sand. The aim is to use a free-draining airy soil mixture. Water the soil mix lightly and keep the pot away in shade to drain excess water completely. Now make a hole in soil and plant the pup just below the soil surface. Don't bury it too deep. Gently press the soil around it to hold it upright. You can plant more than one pup in the same pot. You can add a thin layer of gravel on top of soil for stability or use a tie. Do not water again. Enclose in a polythene bag. Step 4. How to care for planted pups. Put the potted pups in a bright spot with indirect sunlight. Open and remove the bag after 1 week. Keep the pot in bright shade. Do not water until the soil is completely dry. Overwatering is the #1 reason rootless pups rot and fail. It has started to grow new pups, and the roots are also emerging from the bottom hole. I take out the pups. See, the pups have grown strong roots. Even the smaller new pup has developed roots. You can pot these rooted pups in new pots. This is the new aloe vera plant after 2 months of transplanting. Final tips. Remember, well-draining soil, bright light, and very little water in the beginning is the key to success. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more houseplant and succulent tips, and hit the bell so you don't miss new videos. Thanks for watching. Next, watch benefits of keeping aloe vera in bedroom.